Hello everyone, I'm Jyoti here. Welcome back to your computer class. Here is chapter number 2 from your computer subject. Chapter number 2, the name of the chapter is Role of Computer. The role of computer means what is the role in your life for computer. So students, there is used in different purposes and different places that we all are used in a computer, because that is the time for computer world. Clear student? So role of computer, pick up a pencil in your hand and write the underline the main lines and main things that I am discuss with you. Clear? So I'm sure you all must have heard fairy tales. In such stories, the fairy has a magic wand in her hand. She can do anything by using that wand. Means fairy in her hand there is a magic wand and she can do anything, everything, because that is the purpose, because she is having one magical hand in her hand. Same like that, in the present world, a computer acts no less than a magic wand. You can do many tasks with this wonderful machine. Which machine? Computer. Clear? So now I am discuss with you different places and different purposes that we can use the computer. Clear students? Each and every field we can use the computer. So I am writing some points. You also go through with your book according to me. So open the page number 14. Here is computers in school. So computers are used in school for which purposes? I am discussing with you according to my point, role of computer in school. So first is teaching. That is understandable, because teachers are use the computer for your teaching purpose. So next, learning and studying in lab. He or she can take the classes in a computer lab. That is very understandable thing, because in your practical thing you can clearly understand everything regarding the computer. Keeping record of fees. Clear? Then preparing the result, preparing question paper, and last one is sending reports and circular to students. These all things that you all are familiar with that thing also, because in that fees record, fee structure, fully fee structure in the office's computer, and next is question paper also prepared in a computer, and the last one is your circular message sending. That is you also know about the KYC, that all the purpose done by the computer. So our next point is computer used in offices. Clear students? So what is the use of offices from your computer? So ask your father and mother to show for what purposes he or she can use the computer in his or her office. So student, I am writing also here some points for regarding the office use. Typing and printing documents. Keeping a record of employee. Employee means those who are working there. Clear? Sending and receiving email messages, that they can got the information. So these are three main points. You can underline with your book page number 15. That is the important points I can write here. So you can easily go through with these points and given the answer to me also. Okay, these are two purposes for computer used in office in school. So our next purpose is computer in bank. Look at here. Which purposes we can go to bank? Withdrawing money from an ATM. What is the meaning of ATM? Automatic teller machine. You can withdraw the money from emergency also. Then the next is keeping record of money. Then next, maintaining account of the customer. These 3 points we can use in the bank, and these are very simple and easy points. So these 3 points you can also mark your book. Clear? Okay. Our next is computer at home. So it is a very easy. You all are known about that, what purposes you can use at your home. So in a very few point I am discussing with you. The first is playing game. That is an interesting matter, because I know that you all are using game by your computer. And your computer, your mobile phone also, you can use mainly playing games. Then the next is watching movies, doing homework, listening to songs, maintaining monthly expenses. Clear, students? So mark these 5 points in your book. So our next part is computers at railway station and airport. You all are known that, because in the railway station and airport there is only few purposes: reservation and cancellation the tickets. And next thing is keeping record of arrival and departure of trains and flights. So next is page number 17. Look at the page number 17, computers in hospital. In hospital, what is the uses of computer? So there is 3 points. First is computer in hospitals. So keeping a record of the patient, preparing medical reports, and diagnosing the disease. These 3 things we can use the computer in hospitals. Clear? Our next point is computer in entertainment. Entertainment purpose, okay, this, from entertainment. Again, interesting thing for you. Playing games, next making drawing, watching and making cartoons. All the things students are doing at their home. No, it's not only for these things, homework also I am asking to you. So these are the computer in entertainment purpose. Clear, student? So these are some points that I discussed with you according to role of the computer, that is your chapter. So again you can discuss with you and also tell to your parents these purposes you can use the computer. And open the page number 18. In that page there is only on impact of computer. So what is the impact in classroom according to your school? A teacher can teach and deliver her lecture by using smart board which is connected to a computer. A teacher can use internet to check the latest information on any topic. Clear, student? That is the impact of regarding your classroom. And the next thing is at home. What is the impact at your home for using the computer? You can search on any topic related to your syllabus for detailed in study. And you can chat with your friends and family members through computers. So the internet is the largest computer network that connected the millions of people, millions of computers around the world. So computer that's sharing the knowledge. And last one is in office. What is the impact of office? Here is also one question. What is the impact of office? So people can do official work at their working place as well as the home through computer by using internet. And next thing is lot of manual work has been replaced by the computerized system. So mark this line according to your question also. Question number 3, what is the impact of using computer in office? So I want to discuss with that particular question because it is a lengthy one and I don't want to confuse any person, any students related to this question. So I want to mark the question, the answer of the third question. Lots of manual work has been replaced by computerized system. Only this much. So there is no any confusion. That is also understandable thing because that is a manual work has been replaced by the computerized system. So this is your chapter, role of computer. I hope you all are understood very well, and write down the exercise portion. Now I want to given the homework for this chapter according to my self. So exercise portion. Okay. Part A. In part A, there is a tick the correct answer, and it is a very easy. So you can go through with your book at least 3 or 4 times, and definitely in the first time you will write the proper answer. Next thing, part B. Here is filling the blanks, but unscribbling words. That is also easy. So you can done with the help of your parents for this part B. And part C. Here is question answers. And these are the very easy question answer. I am going through with my points. That points, write any 2 points, write any 3 points, write any 1 point. That points I am discussed with you with my few small charts. So you can write the very few points in your book and a notebook also. So next thing is part D. Here is true false. Very easy. You can try to solve the true false in your own knowledge. So next is find the outfield. There is only on some unscribbled words. You can find the unscribbled words and write down on your book. But on this exercise you can done with your done on your book and the notebook also. Clear students? I hope you all are understand. Thanks and have a good day.